If you want to uninstall XAMPP on your MacBook, make sure to read it completely. This is important so that no junk files are left behind and can reduce the performance of your MacBook. This tutorial will show you how to backup your project files as well as how to completely uninstall XAMPP. Check it out. Although XAMPP is an important application for web developers, sometimes we need to uninstall it for various reasons. For example, when we are going to replace a device or because a web project has been completed. Therefore, the first important step is to backup your data. If you have already backed up your data, you can skip this step and go straight to the next step. First, open Finder, then click Application, and then open the same folder. The htdocs folder is where your website project is located. We will backup all these files into one zip file for convenience. You can compress the entire htdocs folder or just compress the project folders. In this example, I'm only backing up the project folders. So I select the folders, right-click, and choose Compress. The compression process takes a relatively long time, depending on the number of files being backed up. When the compression process is complete, you will see a file with a zip extension appear. Next, we need to move this file because we are going to delete the entire XAMPP folder. Okay, let's select the file, press Command and C key simultaneously to copy it, or you can also right-click and select Copy Item. Then I go to the Documents, I create a new folder and name it Backup. Then I move the zip file here. Press Command, Option and V key to move it. Okay, we have moved the website project files. Next, we also need to back up the MySQL database files. Go to Application, select the same folder and look for the Manage OS X file. This is the SAM controller or SAM control panel. Double-click to open the SAM controller, then enter your MacBook password. Select the Manage Servers tab, then enable all the required service. Here, I only need to enable the MySQL database and Apache web server. Click and then Start. Next, open your favorite browser, then type this address to access phpMyAdmin. We will export the database from our project. You can check them one by one to make sure you don't miss anything. Once you are done, export them. To do this, select the database, select the Export tab, click the Export button. Do the same for the other databases. Okay, then. Here, I have several files with the SQL extension. I will move them to the backup folder. Once we have secured the website files and the database files, turn off the service in XAMPP. Don't forget to close the window. Then go to the application and delete the XAMPP folder. Click Move to Trash. We also need to clean up any remaining some junk files. One way to do this is to check the library. In Finder, click the Go button in the menu bar and then go to Folder. Enter this path. Here we will search a file named XAMPP or bitnami. You can scroll down. If it still does not appear, the file may be hidden by the system. To bring it up, press the Command and Shift and period key simultaneously. You will see the hidden file appear. There is a bitnami folder there. Right-click and move it to the trash. At this point, the cleaning process is essentially complete. However, if you want to completely clean it up, here is a list of folders you can check. Well, once all the junk files have been cleaned up, it's time to delete them by emptying the trash. Right-click the trash icon and select Empty. Okay, then I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. If you still have questions, feel free to write them in the comments. Don't forget to share if you find this tutorial useful.